Hello everyone. This lesson is about the structure of syllables in English, or syllable structure. As you have seen in previous labs that a syllable may consist of three elements. One element which is obligatory and two elements which are optional. So the obligatory element which we must find it is the vowel, and we may have some consonants before it and some consonants after it. In this lesson, we need to know how we name these elements. So, we call the vowel, which is the obligatory element, as the nucleus, or we may call it the peak as well. We call the consonants which come before the nucleus or before the vowel the onset. We call the consonants which come after the nucleus or after the vowel as the coda. So we look to this example, a monosyllabic word which is plant. In this word, we have all the elements present. So, the nucleus is the long R, which is a vowel. We have some consonants before it. We have two consonants, so they are P, L. So this part, P, L, are called the onset. After the vowel or after the nucleus, we have two consonants which are N, T. We call this part the coda. So again, the nucleus is the vowel. And I want to add an information. The nucleus can be a vowel, a short or long. It can be as well a diphthong, and it can be a syllabic consonant. As well, we have seen in previous labs that we have three syllabic consonants in English. They are the syllabic L, the syllabic M, and the syllabic N. This means, a syllabic consonant means that we have dropped a schwa, and this consonant, takes the place of the vowel, and it is considered as the nucleus. So, the onset, again, the onset is any consonant before the vowel or before the nucleus. The coda is any consonant after the nucleus or the vowel. Both elements, onset and coda, are optional. The nucleus is the vowel or the diphthong or a syllabic consonant. We move to see some examples. So, in the word or, we have only the nucleus, which is long O. So, the onset, we call it zero onset, and the coda, zero coda. We move to the second word, which is free. In this word, which is one syllable word, we have an onset composed of the consonant F and the consonant R. The nucleus is the long E, and we have zero coda. We don't have any consonant after the nucleus. Another word, which is oil. So, in this word, we don't have an onset. It means we don't have a consonant before the nucleus. So we can write zero onset. The nucleus, in this case, is a diphthong, which is the diphthong oi. And the coda is one consonant, which is L. The last example, we have the word spring. So, in this word, we have an onset composed of three consonants, which are S, P, and R. The nucleus is the short E, and the coda is near consonant. Now we move to the exercises. In the first exercise, task 1, you are asked to identify the syllable structure of these monosyllabic words. So, we have 3 words. The first word is huge, huge. So, in this word, we have an onset composed of the 2 consonants h and y, because we say huge. The nucleus is the long vowel oo, and the coda is the consonant j. So we have huge. The second word, which is square, square. In this word, we have the onset composed of the consonant s, k, w. The nucleus composed of the diphthong r, and the coda is 0 coda because we don't have any consonant in the nucleus, so we put 0. The third word is glimpsed. In this word, we have the onset composed of 2 consonants g, l, the nucleus, which is short e, and the coda composed of 4 consonants, which are m, p, s, and t. T stands for the ed ending. Now, in the second exercise, you have to identify the syllable structure of disyllabic words. It means words of 2 syllables. So we have first the word Oxford, Oxford. In this word, we have 2 syllables. The first syllable is composed of 0 onset. The nucleus is O, and the coda is the syllable, the consonants k and s. By the way, O stands for the onset, N stands for the nucleus, and C stands for the coda. So we move to the second syllable, which is fd. So the onset is the consonant f, the nucleus is the schwa, and the coda is d. So Oxford, Oxford. We move to the second word, which is question. We have 2 syllables here. So the first syllable is composed of, so the onset is composed of 2 consonants, which are k, w, because we say question. The nucleus is the vowel a, and the coda is the consonant s. We move to the second syllable, where we have chen. So the onset is the consonant ch, the nucleus is the schwa, and the coda is n. So question, 2 syllables. We move to the last word of disyllabic words. So it is the word bottle, bottle. In the first syllable, we have the onset is composed of the consonant b, the nucleus is the short vowel o, and the coda, we don't have a coda because we don't have any consonant following the nucleus. The second syllable, which is tall, we have an onset composed of 1 consonant, which is t, and here in this case we have the nucleus composed not of a vowel, not of a diphthong, but of a syllabic consonant, which is syllabic L. Okay, so here you write the L sound and you put a short vertical under it. So bottle. Here we have a schwa dropped. Bottle. We move to the third exercise where we have words composed of 3 syllables. So the first word is the word Saturday. Saturday. So we analyze this word. In this word, in the first syllable, we have the onset, which is se, and the nucleus is the vowel a. The coda is 0 coda. The second syllable is te, so the onset is te, and the nucleus is the schwa, and the coda is 0 coda. The third syllable is composed of the onset de, the nucleus is the diphthong a, and the coda is 0 coda. Saturday. The second word is the word imagine. Imagine. In this word, in the first syllable, we have the onset is 0 onset. We don't have any consonant before the vowel. The nucleus is the short e, and the coda is 0 coda. The second syllable, we have the onset is me, the nucleus is the vowel a, and the coda is 0 coda. The third syllable, which is jin, so in jin we have the onset is je, the nucleus is the short e, and the coda is n. The third word is whenever. Whenever. In this word, which is composed of 3 syllables, so in the first syllable, the onset is w, the nucleus is e, and the the coda is n. The second syllable, the onset is 0 onset, the nucleus is the vowel e, and the coda is 0 coda. The third syllable, the onset is v, the nucleus is the schwa, and the coda is 0 coda. Whenever. The fourth word, which is the word paraphrase. On the first syllable, we have the onset is the consonant p, the nucleus is the vowel a, and the coda is 0 coda. The second syllable, the onset is r, the nucleus is the schwa or e, and the coda is 0 coda. The third syllable, we have the onset is composed of 2 consonants, which are f, r. The nucleus here is a diphthong, which is a, and the coda is z sound. We move to the last exercise where you have polysyllabic words. It means words consisting of more than 3 syllables. So here we have 2 words. The first word is congratulate. In this word, we have 4 syllables. So we start with the first syllable. In the first syllable, the onset is que, the nucleus is the schwa, the coda is n. The second syllable, which is gra, the onset is g, r, the nucleus is a, and the coda is 0. The third syllable, which is tu, the onset is t, y, the nucleus is short u, and the coda is 0 coda. The last syllable, which is late, the onset is lo, the nucleus is the diphthong a, and the coda is the consonant t. We move to the last word, which is biological, which is composed of 5 syllables. So the first syllable, which is bi, it consists of the onset, which is b, the nucleus is the diphthong I, and the coda is 0 coda. The second syllable, which is only the diphthong o, so the onset is 0, the nucleus is the diphthong o, and the coda is 0 coda. The third syllable is lo, so we have the onset is le, and the nucleus is o, and the coda is 0 coda. The next syllable is g, So the onset is j and the nucleus is the short e. The coda is 0. The last syllable, which is call, so we have the onset is que, the nucleus is the schwa, and the coda is l. So we have finished the lesson. Just a reminder, we said that a syllable in English may consist of 3 parts. One obligatory, which is the nucleus or the peak. This part may be a vowel or a diphthong or a syllabic consonant. A syllabic consonant may be a syllabic L in English or syllabic M or syllabic N. A syllabic consonant, it's a syllable where we have dropped a schwa in rapid speech. And we represent it with one of the 3 syllabic consonants in English, L or M or N. Another optional element, which is the onset. The onset is any syllable or any consonant before the nucleus, and it is optional. The coda is any consonant after the nucleus, and it is as well optional. Thank you.